Hi everybody. Now you probably heard about the GoHighLevel software. As we can see, everybody's been talking about it, especially those of you that are in Utah. I see you. Today, we're going to go over what GoHighLevel software is, who uses it, and a very high-level overview over the product. So let's get into it. To start off, HighLevel can be used in two different ways. Number one, for white labeling purposes for agencies, and number two, as a CRM. Now, your usage of it will highly depend what your goals are. If you're a business or an agency, your main goal will be to focus on those sub-accounts that are going to be enrolled under your brand. However, if you do decide to go for more of the CRM features, it'll be used more frequently towards running your business. Now, you may be asking yourself, why would people want to white label a CRM instead of going directly to HighLevel? Now, the answer lies in customization. Now, due to the fact that the CRM features will be different depending on what business you're in, agency can actually tailor those features specifically for your clients. That way, they can use that as part of their brand and pay a utilization fee for the HighLevel software. Think of it as sort of like a licensing fee. On the other hand, there are many of those who use HighLevel for their CRM features. Now first, let's break down what a CRM is. As we can see here, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and that's a process in which a business or other organization administers its interactions with customers, typically using data analysis to store large amounts of information. Now what that means is that the leads can come from all sorts of places. So it's up to the CRM to make sure that it's organized. If we have your leads in one centralized area, this makes your business much more efficient. Now, there are a ton of features that come in with the HighLevel software. However, let's just go over the top ones. Number one, anything that has to do with automation. Now, as we can see here, we can create a workflow which would make our life a lot easier as we don't have to manually do a lot of the tasks. So if we click on create workflow, we can create one from scratch, or we can scroll through different ones that are available through the HighLevel platform already. And for example, if we go for the birthday template, this workflow would help us send out different birthday promotions so we don't have to manually do it. However, if we do select the make it from scratch option, a lot of the tasks that we used to do in the past manually, we can now be automated. With this, we can create a different sets of triggers. So when a certain action is completed, that sends a signal for the next action to occur. So an example can be whenever a person opens up an email, a text can be sent out to that specific customer. Now, the second feature that we're going to cover is going to be reporting. As we can see here, HighLevel has provided some sample reports out here for us that we can click through, and this ranges from Google ads to Facebook ads to even attribution reports. And as we scroll down, we can actually see exact details on how the specific campaign went, how many clicks it had, how much it cost, and how much revenue it was able to generate for our business. Now, the beauty of these reports is that they're highly customizable, so that way we can tailor the reports to show us information that we really want. And the third core feature that we're going to go through is going to be the communication with your customers. Since HighLevel is a white label CRM, the amount of integrations that it has is insane. And through those integrations, ranging from Zapier to Twilio to email, we can combine all of those into one place to allow effective communication with us and our customers. And if you guys are struggling to find a tool that works for you, there are many different apps that can integrate with HighLevel that you can use that you can find on their app marketplace. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving much deeper into various features that HighLevel offers. We're also going to show you guys how to perform certain technical tasks on the platform. Now, if we're interested in setting up our own HighLevel account, make sure to click on the exclusive link down below, which will grant you 14-day free trial. Now, once we click on the link, this screen should pop up. So once you guys are ready, click on the 14-day free trial. From there, you're going to be able to enter your company name, your name, again, and email address if you guys have one. Then it should bring you to step 2, where you'll be able to enter your financial information. And once that has been entered in, feel free to press start your 14-day free trial. Now, you should see this page pop up. That's going to walk you through and ask if you guys want HighLevel to pay to set up your account. You don't have to do that. So feel free to scroll all the way down and press no thanks. Click here to get started. And then it's going to ask you about the basic information regarding your business. So which industry you're in, how many customers you have, if you have a website, your address. And then remember about all the integrations we talked about. It's actually going to ask you which softwares you already use, so it can help make the process seamless. Then go ahead and go through the verification process, and you'll have to do the exact same thing for your mobile number. And since I've already used my personal cell number, I'm going to use an alternative number for the mobile verification. Then you just got to enter it in here. And once that's verified, you should have access to your agency dashboard. And from there, you can create sub-accounts to switch between the agency and the CRM settings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time.